So today we're gonna introduce our jardinage tutorial with Lee. She's my guest. Thank you for following me. You can subscribe in my channel there. So all you need is this very special seeds, quarantine seeds. It's called Finnish bubblegum. So, okay. So what we need for this tutorial? Sugar. Some stuff to do your small semi. Coffee. And it's better if you're smoking while you're doing it.
What's much better if you're smoking?
Yeah. So I'm gonna show you quickly what we're doing there. So Lee's gonna start. So for the water to not stay underneath, we put some sugar. Okay, a bit of everywhere. And it's gonna be the food for the seed, so it grows well. Okay, now we're good. As you can see, there is a bit. And then coffee.
It's good to like sprinkle it, you know?
Yeah, it's better.
So everyone gets a bit.
Okay, and now. Okay, so Lee's gonna show you how to put it them well. Oh, one is missing.
And in one, we're gonna put two, just to see.
For the experiment.
Exactly.
Okay, now we have a special food for plants here. It's
special food.
Dykeness. It's a really tough food for plants.
Now it's important. The Dykeness, they come in different colors.
So just try whatever you want because it's an experiment.
Let's see. All right. Dynos are ready.
Okay. Hello again.
We had some technical problems. Clara, Lee.
So Lee is gonna feed the plants with a special food for plants.
Yes, special nourishment for plants.
It's not easy to find, but if you want, you can also do it yourself with small dinosaurs you can find in the garden or in the parks.
Exactly. So, small dinosaurs we find in the garden and parks. Green dinosaur, we try. Blue dinosaur, very, very good for these tennis plants.
They love tutti frutti.
Tutti frutti, special dinosaur with wings. Yellow dinosaur. Red dinosaur with wings. This one is really good.
Okay, so now we go for the last step. So as I was saying before the smaller incident, we have like a dead plant.
It's very important that it's a dead plant.
Yeah.
We take the dead plant, and same technique we used with the coffee and the sugar. We sprinkle it equally between all our little, yeah, very good.
You can put it on the side, it's okay also.
And then we put one dead leaf. We don't know where. For luck.
And you can also put your cigarette butt in
it. Cigarette butt always helps.
Because actually it's always super nourishing also.
Plants love cigarette butt.
You know, like in the park you always find so many?
There's a reason for that.
Yeah, of course.
Now?
So now, wait, because I don't want to make it like in fire.
We show you how it's supposed to look like. Very good. Now, we just wait.
We just wait for like...
We wait. Coffee is good. Do you want a sip of my coffee?
No, I have still a bit.
Okay, good. And now...
now we're gonna show you
what happens.
because we did it like a month ago. So now let's show you.
You see? The experiment worked. The little seeds, little tennis seeds, became
Real tennis balls.
real tennis balls.
Okay, so like 6 of them didn't work, but it's okay.
But 2 worked, and I would say these tennis balls
Looks very good. You can see it's a very good tennis ball.
you can use it for a lot of things, not just for tennis.
Yeah, you can also like rub it.
You can also do some abs.
You can sit on it.
You can sit on it. You can put it in your coffee.
Yeah, but like the experiment works. That was like the
That is
purpose of this video. So
So also just to say that the blue dinosaurs, they work the best. So when you go to
the
the park,
blue and
the purple,
the purple.
much better than the yellow and green. So when you find the Dino Rex in the park, be sure that you have some blue and purple ones. Thank you.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. See you next time.